Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash. Welcome to our store. Have a brand new skid build here to show you guys. Let's go on inside and take a look. I'm going to take you guys around through here. Welcome to our store. Have a bunch of parts and fittings and cleaners. I'll walk you through our build shop. We got a van build here in progress. We got an 8-foot skid here that's being picked up this weekend. This one here is going out to California. This one here is going up to Washington State. And then the one that I wanted to show you guys is this guy here. So 6.5-foot skid, full Softwash system. We'll start over here at the reels and I'll show you everything that the skid has. So we'll start over here with this being a 6.5-foot skid. We got 12-inch reels. The first one's going to be your Softwash hose. This is 1/2 inch, 200 feet with the Softwash gun. We have a downstream system here with the downstream bypass mounted in there. Over here we got 200 feet of pressure washer hose. This is the Fierce Jet with the ball valve swivel. If you ever seen these are stainless steel, Moss-matic. They make it really easy to hook up to your guns, and there's less fatigue on your hands when you're using those. And then over here, last reel, this is 100 feet of 3/4 Flexzilla garden hose. And you see the way we have it plumbed in here, it goes through the swivel and then up into the tanks, and then there's a Hudson float valve in there that actually shuts off the water when it's full. We'll go on over here to the side. This is a neat little system that we put on our deluxe downstream bypass systems. So this is going to be the rinse valve for the downstream system. So you can pull water in through that downstream injector or turn it and pull chemical. Take you on over to the box here. This is our EPW box. Open it up here, I'll show you what's in there. We got the battery. Dan here wanted an extra pump, so we've got an extra pump in there for him. We got the sharpshooter and the M5 combo. We have some keys for the box, and then our locking surface cleaner rack. And then with these downstream bypass systems, the deluxe ones will come with the Flow Pro, and then it has different orifices in there. You're able to switch it out, get a higher chemical draw. And then of course the Honda owner's manual's in there. This one right here has another neat little thing here I'll show you. This one has a charging system that's wired into this. So I'll show you the port on the side of the box. This is all NOCO stuff. Over here we have a port. This is not the cheap Amazon ones. This is actual NOCO, waterproof, weatherproof, seals up there. You're able to plug into the box and charge this thing overnight. Put Dan's pump back in the box here so we don't forget it. On over here is our Promixer XL. You've seen this has been very popular on our builds. On this system here, we got 3/4 check valve, 3/4 mixing valve. Same thing here on the chemical side. Then of course the soap, we have a 1/2 inch metering valve along with a 1/2 inch check valve. And then we have a rinse system here. So what this system does here is it allows you to pull water in through the chemical line. So you can see we're on chemical here. Turn it, you're on water. So you're able to pull water through here. Then of course this is on water, and then just turn your soap off. And then that way you can prolong the life of your Softwash system and keep everything rinsed out. Over here we have the Honda GX 690. This is going to be the gear drive unit. What makes this neat, you got the small footprint. You have this transmission type box. This is the gear drive unit itself. So you got the engine, gear drive, and then the pump. You may be most familiar with those direct drives where the pump actually is bolted to the engine itself. With one of those types of systems, you're not going to be able to pull water into the pressure washer. That's why having it up here on the shelf and using a gear drive, this system works. I'll show you some of the stuff here on the skid itself. Of course, we have 200-gallon water tanks. Those are the slim ones. We have a chemical one in the back water in the front, soap tank. We have the 15-gallon slim fuel tank on here, and then we have this rinse out system. So you got 1-inch hose here, 1-inch ball valve. With this system, you can use it as a bucket filler. You can use it as a hand wash station, eye wash station. Then of course you got the 1-inch strainer mix or filter over there. And then lastly, you have surface cleaner rack, and that is locking. This will have a whisper wash in it. We get a lot of requests to build these for other surface cleaners. My opinion, if you're going to spend this much on a skid, and we've done everything right, get yourself a whisper wash. That's the skid. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next one.